Hey, good evening, Map here. Micro Map Investments. I hope you're all doing good. I haven't done a video in a couple days, um, but I think I've been pretty consistent lately. Thank you for those that comment and push me to keep on with the videos. With life and work and doing your side hustle, it becomes a little difficult in general. But I wanted to touch base yesterday. Yesterday and today have been great trading days. Yesterday, trying to kind of refresh. Yesterday, the big news was that First National Bank bought out SVP, and that stock skyrocketed. They're having those congressional meetings regarding how didn't they see the disaster in SVB failing. And today's big news was Alibaba. I think they're splitting up the company in I don't know how many pieces, and that made the stock soar. It's actually soaring in Hong Kong, and it soared today in the New York Stock Exchange. On the earnings front, we had Micron today in the afternoon, and we also had Lululemon. Chime in, guys, on Lululemon. I went to their website, and I was talking in one of the chat rooms that I talk in while I'm trading and stuff, and we were talking about earnings and stuff like that, and talking about Lululemon that they reported, and honestly, guys, I have never ever bought anything from this place. I know I walked into a store, and when I saw the prices, I'm pretty cheap. I just walked out. So like I went today and shop men's, and like I mean things are expensive here. Like look at this guy's shirt, $88. Shorts, $78. I went to pants. Let me see if you can filter here by pants. I mean, and chime in if you have their clothes. I've never bought anything. I just can't bring myself to 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 buy something that expensive. I mean, I'm good with a pair of Adidas jogging pants or Nike sweats. I mean, but they don't cost what what these things go for. I was trying to see if category. Let me see pants. So I thought it would be good to look at this because I mean I was like what? So these are 128, 128, 148, 128, 128, 148, 128, 128. I don't know. I just can't bring myself to pay that much money for for these pants. I was just looking at this in general. I wonder how much their shorts are. Let me see how much their shorts are. Cause I got like five pair of shorts with let me see here. Do they have is it trousers? Would it be trousers? No. Where is shorts? Filter? Men shorts. $68, $68, 88, 88, 78, 68, 78, 78, 88, 78. I mean, that's crazy. That's that's I don't know. I don't get it. Anyways, they killed it because the stock was up huge. I didn't get filled. I was trying to do a broken wing butterfly at the 350 strike, and I'm glad I didn't get filled. This thing is up 15% almost on the day total. But yeah, that was Lululemon. Micron was another one after the bell. They were up a little bit, and I think Calmain was up. They do eggs. I didn't play any of them. The one that was up yesterday, I think, was FCN first CA, was it? Yeah, this one right here, guys. So this was the chart when everybody found out they were buying SVB. Pretty crazy. I'm sure the bankers knew ahead of time. This is a 5-day chart, so it went from 600 to 9 something. Here's the 1 month chart. This thing down to 500, back down to almost 1,000. Yeah. So those were the big catalysts in the last 2 days. And we'll look at the news and stuff like that. See what else I might have missed on the trading front. Today was a good day. I had 19 fills, a good day, up 1.13%. So I beat the averages. Orders filled. Let me see. I wanted to show you everything that I did in the last 2 days. Let's filter this. And then we could do start date. So we're March. Today's the 28th. So was 27 and end date 28. Apply. So here are my trades in the last 2 days. Yesterday, because I owe you a video from yesterday. I didn't do one yesterday, and today's Tuesday. So let's start from down here. I closed Big Lots Iron Fly for 25% profit. Ford Straddle, I closed for 25% profit. I closed Carnival Straddle for 25% profit. I bought more UNG. I bought a calendar spread to the upside on Beetle because, Bitcoin got hit yesterday because I think they're going to do the SEC said something that they're going to investigate Binance, and then Bitcoin took a hit. I closed an Iron Condor in Western Alliance, which is a bank. I closed the Iron Condor for 50% profit. Carnival, so on the IV crush on Carnival, I closed my straddle, and Carnival got hit and went down, and I bought. Then I went on a IV crush play because the IV rank went under like 20. I did a call calendar in Carnival again. Tyson Foods, I closed my put credit spread for 50% profit. I sold a micro short to neutralize my deltas in my portfolio because I was pretty long, and I like to be pretty neutral in this environment. I don't know where the market's going to go, so I'd rather be kind of neutral and just have time decay theta work for me. IWM, I sold a butterfly to the upside for $30, and I sold what was this here? Sorry, some of the trades I just don't know from the top of my head. I did a put credit spread on soybeans, which I closed today. I'll get there. I sold an S&P contract to neutralize more of my deltas. And then today I sold a put credit spread in Zim Shipper. I closed Mara Iron Fly for 25% profit. I got filled in a broken wing butterfly for not this week, but next week for $20 in Baba, but that one's going to be challenged. I closed I opened a soybean broken wing butterfly to the upside for $125 credit. I bought more UNG. I'm buying, so you can see I'm just buying in increments of UNG and 10. I think natural gas is getting oversold. It could continue to go down, but energy, oil was up today big. One of my biggest performers was XOP and XLE today. CarMax, I did a broken wing butterfly for $35 for next week. Deutsche Bank, which I talked to you in my previous video, I closed that iron fly for 25% profit. I bought back my shorts in the futures, and I made very nice profit in there today. I did an iron fly for almost $200 in Snapchat today. I sold a call against my JD 45 call that I have left from a call calendar spread to lower my cost basis there. I did put credit spreads and lift. I did an iron fly in ABR Realty. IV was very high. And then at the end of the day, I sold a micro, small cap, and SMP to neutralize some of my deltas. I'm a little bit long in the portfolio right now. And my last trade was HELOC mining. I saw a lot of call activity there. And I bought a call calendar at the 9, I want to say it was the 7 strike for 14 cents a piece. It was like a $75 trade. So the last 2 days have been pretty good trading, pretty good profits. Let's take a look at the futures. The 10 years up 0.013 bips to 358. The dollar is pretty flat, but I think it was down on the day, but it's pretty flat at 102.50 right now. Foreign currencies pretty mixed, with the loonie pretty up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Bitcoin down $110 to 27,345. Oil up 55, and it's been strong lately, up to 74. Oh, we had some news today also that the news wouldn't stop talking about it today, that Warren Buffett bought more Oxy. I mean, I think he's eventually going to just buy that whole company the way he's going. So oil, if you watch my videos, I've been telling you XLE, XOP, I like those. I've been telling you that's going to be a good ETF if you want some exposure. I thought it was oversold and we were due for a bounce. S&P up nicely, 15 handles right now to 40.16. Gold, I think the contract switched, and now we're at the active contract, which is at 1986 right now, down $4. And I think gold should easily crack 2,000 and head for new highs. Copper 407. The hogs got sold off today. That trade's very wicked, very tough. Feeders strong, 165. Small caps have been strong, up 8 at 173. Seems to be bouncing at 160, 155. It bounces back. Ether at 7, almost 1,800. What else we got here? NASDAQ 44 at 2775, 12,775. Nat gas 216. Palladium and platinum, they seem just pretty stuck in that range, and they're they're not tradable, those products. Silver 23.38. I think silver will go higher. VIX 21.50. Corn 647. It's been pretty stable after all these declines in the grains. We had a nice pop in soybeans, and wheat also got a nice pop as well. But they're still way off their highs. Interest rates, bonds, the long bonds, the 30 years down 4 bips, and the 10 years down 6 bips. So interest rates are higher. They've been going higher, and that's where they need to go. Let's go to bar chart. I went enough on my Lululemon rant. And chime in. I'm curious if you guys have bought anything from there. I just can't. I can't do it. I can't pay that much for that stuff. I think I got four pair of shorts. I think it was four pair of shorts. I want to say it was four pair of shorts. Let me see. Adidas. Now I'm curious. Adidas. Look at this. I paid $24 for these shorts. $24, and they're not bad. It's 24 and 45. I pay $80 for a pair of shorts. You crazy? Because it says Lululemon. Yeah, crazy. People are crazy. You gotta watch out for. You gotta watch your dollars. We'll go back to Bartra. Enough of that ranting on Lululemon. I guess everybody buys them because the stock's exploding. I think they have better China sales too. Tesla down 2. We talked about Baba. Baba skyrocketed today. And that broken wing butterfly is not looking good right now. The thing looks like it's going to blow through it. I did 100 for next week. Maybe I'll get stuck at 100, but it looks like it wants to go much higher. AMC was up big today. Rumors that that Amazon wants to buy them. Apple down a smidge. Nvidia down a smidge. Amazon down a smidge. AMD down a smidge. Meta down. I mean, these things have run up a lot. Carnival bounced back a little bit. I have the 10 call calendar. Snapchat, I did, because I had decent IV rank, 54 set here. I did a straddle. And then I bought the wings for protection. So Iron Fly. Coinbase, I have an Iron Condor, which hasn't done anything. That thing has not contracted. IV stuck up there. Oxy up on Warren Buffett big. Lululemon had earnings after the bell. They are over 360. Maybe I saw something in Lululemon. If the IV don't get crushed, I'll probably play on that uptick. We'll see. You'll see in the other videos. Viking Therapeutics had good news. I didn't do anything in there. I don't think. I tried to do some orders, but nothing got filled too wide. Exxon with oil up. FUTU didn't do nothing. It was down big, but I didn't do anything in there. We went through my orders anyway, so you know what I did and didn't do. Sorry about that. Close that. What else? Lucid down. Paramount, I tried to do something in Paramount, didn't get filled. Roku was down 3. I don't think I've gotten filled in Roku. Baidu was up big too. I own the K-Web. The K-Web was up pretty good today. I can't get filled in Silvergate. It just doesn't get me filled. It's a cheap stock. That's pretty much it. Pac West, I couldn't get filled. Heloc Mining has some call activity, so I got involved in that one, and I like it because it's gold and metal. Silver and gold miner. Let's go to the futures, and then we can end it there. So S&P full list. We talked about the grains and their trends. Energy, I like it higher. Gold and silver, like higher. Gotta look into copper. Maybe, I'm interested in maybe getting some copper rounds, maybe. Cattle's been strong. Lean hogs been very volatile. I don't trade the softs. The indexes, man, guys, market. Let me see what IBD has the market condition in. They still have market in correction. I don't know what to tell you, man, in regards to the direction of the market, because with the banking crisis, they have pumped in almost $400 billion in liquidity, and these bankers are gonna buy up assets. I mean, it's just the way it is. I mean, the market's been resilient because they're pumping liquidity into the market. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm a little long right now, but I try to be delta neutral by baiting weight my portfolio. And if you don't know how to do that, chime in and I can do a video on that. Currencies, I really don't care about currencies. The best currency for me is gold and silver. And you know how I feel about financials in regards to bonds. I think bonds need to go much lower and interest rates need to go much higher, especially on the long end of the curve, the 10-year and 30-year. The front end of the curve has gone up a lot, and that's why it's inverted. That's what's called inverted. Um, where was I going to go? Let me see something here. FizBiz. And see if it here gives us some of the year-to-dates so we can get a feel of what we got going on here in the futures performance. And let's go to year-to-date. It's incredible, guys. March is over Friday. 3 months in the bag. January, February, March. 3 months in the bag. So orange juice, year-to-date, is the leading commodity or future. You know, one future they don't put here that I've noticed, I don't think Bitcoin is on here or Ethereum. I'm going to write to these guys and tell them, hey, you need to put those because they're futures in those products. Orange juice up 25%. I got a gallon of orange juice at BJ's for 5 something. I like OJ. NASDAQ 15. So tech has been up this year. Cocoa 11%. DAX 9. Euro 9, gasoline 8, gold 7. So gold is outperforming the S&P by 3% so far this year. Feeder cattle 7, copper 6, sugar 6, Nikkei 6. And remember that my 401k is in foreign. You want to get out of dollar denominated assets and you want to be in foreign. You want to be in metals. Gold, silver, you want to be in miners, you want to be in energy. That's my take. You want to be in commodities. Coffee up 4, lean hogs up 5, S&P up 4, 30-year bond up 3, oats 3, and oats have been decimated. Biggest loser, net gas. Palladium down 21%, heating oil down 19, soybean oil 14, canola down 12, wheat down 11, platinum down 11. And oil products been down 8, corn down 4. The rest are within the range, 1 to 3% year to date on the futures. But you notice that I have no Bitcoin or Ethereum. I wonder what those assets are at year to date. It'd be good to tell these guys. I wonder if there's a place where you can contact and let them know. Maybe I'll do that so they can put it in there. It'd be helpful. Anyways, Doug, thanks for the questions. Doug has some questions, and I hope I answered them for you. It was good dialogue, and hopefully it was helpful. I always I recommend watching the TD Network, or even I come over here to TD, and you can go over here. They have the Trader TV right here. You can watch the TD Ameritrade Network. I have an account there, and I also have an account here with Tasty Life, Tasty Trade. I have an account over here with them, right here in Tasty, and these guys have great free education of videos on a bunch of stuff. They talk about everything, all day. So if you want to learn, it's free education here all day. Practice. Trade often, stay small, bait away your portfolio, and stay engaged. And if you really want to do it, you could be successful at it. Anyways, thank you, Doug and Tejas, for commenting. Like the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.